Listen, I'll explain on ahankara. It's a very important statement. Everything you project is because of your pain. How many of you agree? I'll describe. Understand? When you have a very painful inner image and very painful idea about others and life, you just wanted to survive and you project, hey, you don't know me, I am. I have seen in the childhood, the street dramas they will perform in India, especially in Tamil Nadu, it's called Kuthu, street dramas. Only when I saw the street dramas, I realized what is mamakara and ahankara. How many of you have seen these village street dramas? See that artists, the village street dramas are performed in a very amateur way, means there will be one small bench which has 3.5 legs, not 4, 3.5. That will be the stage, and they will hold a blanket which is a screen which will have 1,000 holes through which you can see actually what is going on the other side. And this artist will come. Artists, all old men, old women usually, no women are allowed. It's only men. And they won't get lipstick and all. They will paste the kumkum paste and apply for the mouth. And the turmeric for the face. And vibhuti ash for the whole body. No, in my personal experience, this is the first time I saw the mamakara and ahankara. See, the leader of the troupe will not be taking a big role. He will be taking a small comedian role type. The hero, when he comes to the stage, he will act and behave in a way. When he just comes behind the screen, the way he behaves to the comedian. In the stage, he will beat the comedian, he will make them run around. But the moment he turns, because I'll always be sitting and holding the screen to see both sides. When we take the screen, how he behaves. And when you raise the screen again, how he behaves. Now that is where I learned first the lesson of mamakara and ahankara. That's the way exactly we are all doing. Exactly that is the way we are doing. And the body language and the voice, everything will be totally different for him if you remove the screen. And if you put the screen again, it will all be totally different. Understand? When you have a deep suffering inner image, actual inner image, and the swa-anyakara, image you carry about others and life, for survival's sake, what you project is ahankara. How many of you are getting it? Come on. Now, so the source of ahankara, what is the source of ahankara? Pain. Pain is the foundation on which what is standing? The compensating alternative cognition. CAC. Listen, compensating alternative cognition. How many are getting it? Compensating alternative cognition. Clear? So the compensating alternative cognition, that ahamkara, is completely established in pain. That is why while you are acting it out or relaxed from it, you are in pain. Please understand, listen. The image you carry about others and life, only while you are acting, means interacting, will be painful. See, there will be some pains in your body. Only if you lift the hand, you will have a pain. Only if you lift the leg, you will have pain. This image about others and life is only when you act, when you relate, you will have pain. And mamakara, actual inner image, only when you remember it, you will have pain. During action, only pain will be caused by image with others and life, image about others and life. Your actual inner image, only when you remember, it will cause pain. If you forget and fall asleep, it won't cause pain. But this ahamkara, please understand, what you project towards others about you, because it is rooted in pain, while you act or relax, it will be painful. This is like a headache, which will never go. How many of you understand? Now I have seen, see, if this is the screen, this side of the screen, how they behave, that actors. And the moment they turn to us, "Ena mama, சரியா பண்ணனா? ஒழுங்கா பணத்தை கொடுத்துருமாமே." In Tamil, they will ask that leader of the team. All leaders of the teams are always called mama in Tamil Nadu. That's the most close relationship. And mama, did I do well? Give the money properly? This side. But this side, when they turn, they are completely king or God or the incarnations. Now, they enact incarnations, gods, kings, all that they enact. That is why I tell you, what you project yourself to others, the compensating alternative cognition, CAC, compensating alternative cognition. Even their body language will become different. That is what will be surprising. Even you can see, based on the person who is in front of you, your body language will change. If you can be relaxed from ahankara, he is the best servant. If you can't relax from him, he is the worst spouse. Listen, ego, its ahamkara itself is not suffering. Listen, just now I said that itself is suffering. Why? Because it is built on pain. If you can unclutch from it, you can play with it. You can play with it. If you can, see, if you can eat away the foundation of pain, then ahankara will not be a suffering. Now, we will work on, you understand only this much, the pain foundation on which we built ahankara, the compensating alternative cognition. We will now complete that pain, remove that pain. Understand, we are going to enter into the unique, powerful process. You need to understand this pain. When do you think your pain started in your life? Come on, answer one by one. Huh? Birth. School. Then? So whenever you think, that time only it started for you, but actually the possibility for pain started during the birth itself. When you come out, see, understand, you are in the cozy, comfortable space for 9 months, long ago, once upon a time. You don't need to run for food, even for breathing. Somebody else breathes for you, somebody else eats for you. You just get everything served in your room. You are just lying happily, cozy lifestyle. Suddenly one day you don't even know what happened to you. You are being just kicked out. The moment you came out, few fat, white-dressed women just lift you by leg. Tamal! Where they are beating? Patliye. Pattu pota. Ayo. Now that is the way world is receiving you. You don't know whether you landed on planet Earth or hell. Like Yamaduta's 4 ladies are standing with all the knife and all the weapons and items, armed. And the other top. That is the way you are received. The first bio-memory, please understand this word. Muscle memory will always be remembered by you. Bio-memory need not be remembered by you, but it will be as a memory. Like how to increase your heartbeat or lower it. You are only doing. Is there anybody else doing? That is in your bio-memory, but you will not remember it. You will not remember it. You have the memory. Please understand how to operate your heart. How to make your heart function. How your heart can function. See, you can say, no, you are an enlightened being, you have the power. No. There was a show, one guy stopped his heart completely. His whole pulse rate, I think, around 30 or 40 seconds. Any of you have seen that show? It's in the YouTube, go and see. He is not an incarnation or enlightened being. And believe it or not. So there is a show. He has done it in public. So all I am trying to tell is, it is not my special power. Anybody has that. You have that in your bio-memory, but you don't remember. Understand what I am saying? See, whatever is in your muscle memory, you will remember them. Whatever is in your bio-memory, you may not remember, but it is there. Now, by cleaning all the things from muscle memory, I am going to make you remember even what is in bio-memory. Getting it? Listen. The pain which started when you are born is in your bio-memory. From that pain, your pain body starts getting built. How many of you have read about this aura? By seeing the aura of the person, you can tell about the future disease and all that. Pain body is a dark aura, black aura. Bliss body is a golden aura. Just with this one process, completely the dark aura around you will disappear. Understand? The pain body is the dark aura. Now, from the moment you are born, all the pains you went through, pen down, practically it will be your biography. Because anything only with the underline of pain you will remember. If there is no pain, you will not remember that. If you are remembering your marriage, there would have been some painful incident there at that moment. Some fight between the in-laws, dowry problem, So even if you remember your marriage, there may be some underline of suffering. Nothing you will remember if there is no suffering. Because your memory is programmed to remember only pain. Because it started with pain. Started with pain. Now practically you are going to write your biography. Understand? You are going to write your biography. If you are complete, you will not remember that incident. There won't be hangover. Only incompletion will allow the hangover of the past. Getting it? We'll start. Please understand, you are going to do now a very powerful completion process. First time you are going to write your biography. Everything you remember, pen down. Everything you remember. Now you have a printout? Please distribute. Listen, 1 minute. All the volunteers, please stop. Listen, when you pen down, you have to relive and pen down as if it is happening now. What dress you were wearing at the time, what was the smell of the room, what was the dress other person was wearing, what is the place, everything. Sit with yourself, do not chat and do group discussion with others. You lived your life. You understand? You are already a big group inside. Now why do you want to have a group outside and discuss and write? No group discussion, no roaming around, no sleeping. You are going to be doing this intensely. Listen. How many of you, if you listen, you can catch this? When I describe an incident, it will be literally 4 dimension, 4D. How many of you are getting it? Understand? If I describe, you will see literally you are there. It is because there is no hangover. There is no incompletion. That is why I am able to create that space for you. Orator is a person who creates the same space he has inside for others. Understand? When I tell the gas stove story, you can listen gas cylinder story. Or when I tell the street drama, you can see exactly. Especially if you are from the Indian village background, you will thoroughly enjoy because you can visualize the whole thing and see. Getting it? You have to relive as if it is happening now. Every time when I narrate an incident from my life, I just relive as if it is happening now. Because I don't have hangover, I can clearly see what is happening now. I do not have any emotions attached to it. I can see clearly. Getting it? Your image you project to others is rooted in suffering, pain. So only by releasing the pains, you will be free from the image you project to others. So to release the pain, we are going to do the process. First step of the process is remember all the pains you suffered in your life, incident by incident, and relive and pen them down. Getting it? Relive and pen them down.